Alright guys, this is your study guide for map test number 8. We're going to add 5 new states today. So I'm going to, we did green last time. Let's look at a different color. How about, let's do a light purple. That's what that looks like. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so first I'm just going to outline the states that are part of map test number 8, the new states, I guess I should say, that are part of map test number 8. Alright, so all of these outlined in purple will be our new states for today. So we're just going to start right here at the top. This first one is Wyoming. Okay, the capital of Wyoming is Cheyenne. And the abbreviation is WY. Next down, which a state looks very much like Wyoming, they look very similar. This is Colorado. The capital is Denver. And the abbreviation is CO. Next over here we have Utah. The capital is Salt Lake City. And the abbreviation is UT. Over here we have Nevada. The abbreviation, or I'm sorry, the capital is Carson City. And the abbreviation is NV. Alright, lastly, we have California. The abbreviation is CA. And the capital of California is Sacramento. All right, and that's all for the new ones for Chapter 8. So you'll do all of the other ones you've learned so far, plus the 5 new ones. If you have any questions about map test number 8, please feel free to message me on Canvas. Thank you.